so I'm doing this quick video because I just filed my BOI beneficial ownership information report. And so the process was really simple to me. And I did it online. You can do it. I didn't even press this. I was like, oh no, I'm going straight to online where you don't need to do it by Adobe. I'm sure this process up here will take you to using the form, but for me, do it online, period. So yeah, you just walk through the information, fill out the type of filing. Most of us, for me, it was an initial report because it's something I've never done. And so this is my first initial report. And I guess I can walk through some of it, but I'm not going to do the entire report. Request to receive a FEN CE ID. Yes, I did that. I am not foreign pooled. Reporting company legal name. And then if you're doing business as, then, just real easy stuff. What kind of the one thing I want to point out is that next you'll be taken to the company applicant information. So I put that in, governor, legal, all that, whatever. It's just who is the beneficial ownership. And then from there, you go to the next screen and it asks this, it looks just like the prior screen. So these two look the same. And essentially for me, it was the same information. And then you submit it, didn't ask for money or anything like that. And at the end, I did receive this number, a FEN CEN ID. So again, the process was really simple. I just thought I would do this quick video to help a few people out. Yeah, it's not hard at all.